Hello guys, this is Mr. Mehboob Ahmed, the CEO and founder of Eurasia Education Link. I am here at the Tashkent Medical Academy. Today I am going to show you the campus of Tashkent Medical Academy. And this is the place, this is the best university where Indian students prefer to study. Most of the Indian students study here just because the standard of education is very high and the cost of living over here is very less. So you can see over here all around the environment here, all the students coming into the university. And this is the gate, I'm inside. This is what?
Canteen.
This is the canteen. Here the students come here of the professional. This is the canteen. I'll show you the canteen. ये कैंटीन है स्टूडेंट्स आर सिटिंग हियर दे ऑल कम हियर फॉर अ ब्रेक फॉर रिफ्रेशमेंट फॉर लंच whatever you want to have. They have all the food available over here, veg, non-veg, everything is available. गाइस ये फोटोज लगे हुए हैं जितने भी डायरेक्टर्स पहले इस यूनिवर्सिटी के रह चुके हैं उन सबके फोटोज लगे हुए हैं देखिए so there so there are a lot of photos a lot of directors have been placed here in the university. So now you have another director. So it's an administration office over here. We have all the administration who sits on the 3rd floor. So we are here on the 3rd floor. So what all is over here, you can see. ये यूनिवर्सिटी का फिजियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट है ये सारा और इधर आपका पैथोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट है. Guys, we are here at the ground floor and the entire corridor over here is a simulation center. All these rooms are simulation center. We have students over there. So the lecture rooms हैं. अभी हम लोग ग्राउंड फ्लोर में थे सिमुलेशन सेंटर में. अब हम अगर सेकंड फ्लोर पे या फर्स्ट फ्लोर थर्ड फ्लोर किसी पे भी जाते हैं वी हैव गॉट लिफ्ट्स ओवर हियर. सी ऑल दीस आर न्यू लिफ्ट्स. This room is a study room. Students can come here and sit and study for a while. They can like prepare for their class and they can do their homework while sitting here. So it's a small place to study. This is also a study room. Best thing about this university is you can see the cleanliness and the architecture over here. The building structure, it's all new. It's totally fantastic. It's so beautiful and beautifully designed. Very well architecture.